And welcome back to Ram's tutorial. If you are new here in our channel, please do subscribe, like, hit, and ring the notification bell or hit it. So today we're going to discuss about multiplying fractions with cancellation method. So our methods: first, simply using cross cancelling. Second, multiply the numerators and denominators. So I have here our problem: 427 times 916. We cancel that, the common factors. So we have here, sundan nyo lang po guys. Then, second one, cross natin sila dito. Nilalagyan natin ng common factor nila po. Next, numerator to numerator po. Ilalagay lang po natin dito yung sagot. 1 times 1, 1. 3 times 4 is 12. This will be our final answer for 427 times 916. Welcome back again to Ram's Tutorial Educational. Thank you for watching. Bye! So, tama yung ano mo dyan kasi may common factor sila. Anong number ka naman? Sige. What number ka na tayo? Yan, number 4. Let's go number 4. Sige. Let's correct. Hold your paper. Ayan. Focus natin yung gawa mo. So, 1. That's correct. Okay. Tingnan mo yung common factor nila. Si 9 at saka si 5. Wala. So, answer to 7, 8, 6, 3, number 1, number 6. Okay, 1, 2, very good. So, 15, 3, then 1. Okay, good job. Okay. This is how tyrants work about multiplying fractions with cancellation method. So he answered well. Okay, thank you. Thanks guys for watching. Don't forget to subscribe to Ram's Tutorial Educational. Bye!